In this video, we'll look at the Avairto Shortcode builder that allows you to create shortcodes that will display your automations on the front end. Now, front end shortcodes still require the user to be logged in, so you need to have a logged in trusted user to be able to access these on the front end. In this example, we have an Exa search flow that starts with a human in the loop question, asks the user for a topic, basically what to search for, goes out to Exa and finds 5 research papers, and then uses OpenAI text-to-text to generate a HTML newsletter based on those whatever 5 articles it finds. So pretty basic flow. It's one that we looked at earlier for Exa search, but in this case we want to put it on the front end. So this is all written and ready to go. I'm going to go down to my Avairto Shortcode panel at the bottom, and if you don't see that up at the top, you can enable it by checking this box under Avairto Shortcode in screen options. So I'm going to go down and I'm going to, first of all, I choose the action. I can either just run the sequence and output the sequence. I can only display previous results from previous times I've run it, or I can do both. I can let the user run it and view previous results. So I'll do both in this case. Next, I can indicate the nodes that I want to include. If I really want to be verbose, I could choose all of these, but in this case, this last node is the one that actually generates the email newsletter. So that is ID 6. So I would just go down and check ID 6 if I want the user to only see the final outcome. For response to display format, I can either select verbose or response only. If I choose verbose, it'll show the prompt and the response, which I don't want. In this case, I just want the response. So I'll say response only. And finally, I can determine the source of the result. So it can be from all users or from just the currently logged in user. So I'll do that because I don't want to show other user responses in this case on the front end. So that generated this shortcode. I'm just going to copy that, and then I go out to I'll create a new page for it. I'll go to all pages, add new page, and I'll just call this page shortcode demo. And I'll paste in my shortcode, publish the page, and then when I go out and view that page, it shows the go button to start the automation. It also shows past responses that I've generated in the past. So if I want to run it from scratch, I just click go, and it'll start by asking me what to search for. I'll say AI in the workplace, hit submit, and it's going to go through now and just find those 5 recent articles about AI in the workplace and generate this email newsletter. So it did it that quick. The key to activating shortcodes in Avairto is to go to Avairto settings under the WordPress settings tab, and basically just enable front end player. If I disable it, then that completely disables the plugin or the shortcode. And if I go out now to shortcode demo, right there, it just doesn't give me any response until I go back and enable that under settings. Now it's re-enabled, and now the shortcode appears. So pretty simple, and it definitely makes Avairto a lot more powerful, being able to post formatted automations and the responses to the front end of a website.